If you're facing the annoying "your carrier may charge for SMS message error" on your iPhone, I totally get how frustrating that can be, especially when you're trying to send something important. But don't stress, this guide has got you covered with some super effective solutions to fix that error and get your messaging back on track. So let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check your network connection. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to pull up the control center. Next, make sure that cellular data is turned on. If you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data or vice versa to see if that clears up the error. Now let's test your connection. Open a web browser and visit any website to check that your internet is working properly. Solution 2. Update carrier settings. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, tap on General. Then tap About. If there's an update available for your carrier settings, you'll see a prompt. Just follow the on-screen instructions to update. Solution 3. Check SMS settings. Start by opening the Settings app again. Scroll down until you find the App section. Tap on Messages. Make sure that the Send as SMS option is toggled on. If you're using iMessage, check that it's also enabled. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Go back to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm that you want to reset. Solution 5. Contact your carrier. If you've tried all these steps and are still having issues, it might be time to reach out to your carrier. Give their customer support a call. They can help check for any account issues or offer additional troubleshooting steps. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the "your carrier may charge for SMS message" error on your iPhone and get back to sending messages without any hiccups. If this guide was helpful for you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips and keep an eye out for our next video. Happy messaging!